So here in the Karnaugh map, okay. So here that is if it is possible. That means in the Karnaugh map. So in this Karnaugh map, how we can find out it is possible to group the two cells, or two cells, or four cells, or eight cells. That is pair, quad, octet. Okay. So to group these two cells, so if and only if when it is possible, if these cells are adjacent to each other, then only form the group. So whatever the variables which are common to subgroup. So what is the subgroup? Suppose the Karnaugh map is like this, but the two variables. Now, so this is here and this is one cube and this is another cube. This is called as a subgroup. Okay, here it is called as a subgroup. So here it is called as a subgroup. So in this case, this subgroup, that means how we can form this, that means here this is one cube and this is one cube. Otherwise, this is one pair and this is one pair. So it is possible to group the two cells or four cells or eight cells if and only if those cells are adjacent to each other. So then whatever the variables which are common to subgroup, so, which variables are common? Whatever the variables are common, which are common in a subgroup, only those variables are present in the product representation of the subgroup. That means, suppose if it is here like this is some subgroup. Here the common terms, so not the common terms, common variables are presented in the product term or min term, the minimum form of min term. So minimum form of term lo em untayi manaki common variables evaithe untayo those variables are here. Suppose based on this, see one question here, find the minimal sum of expression. So now find the minimal sum of expression, minimal sum of expression for three variables Boolean function. F of x, y, z means here three variables are there. So this is what sum of min terms. This symbol is nothing but sum of min terms. Okay. So now this symbol is called as a sum of min terms. So this is what the sum of min terms. Now coming to this sum of min terms. Here 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So these are the min terms. Okay. So based on this, so whenever in the Boolean expressions, if the expression is like this, you can observe like this is the sum of product term. Okay. Sum of product terms means these all are the min terms. Now right here, three variable mapping. So coming to this three variable mapping, here, so this is what the x, y variable, this is the z variable. Here two possibilities here. Here the four possibilities 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So here this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So sometimes the question is like this also. And the Konni Karnaugh map representation in some other books 1, 0, this is the 0 term, this is 1, 0, 1, this is what the 3, this is 2. and here it is the 4, 5, 6, 7. So like this also sometimes 1 minute. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So ఇలా కూడా sometimes ఇస్తారు. So sometimes ఏంటి అంటే ఇలా కాకుండా సో డైరెక్ట్ గా మనకి now some this is so we are following here 0 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, see here now the term is 1. So what is the 2 0 1 0 1, the next 1 2 0 1 2 3 means here 2 and 3, here 1 here 1 5 6. So 5 6 means 0 1. So kavalante meeku confusion unte you have to write like this 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is how it is possible. Already manam munde discuss chesamu. This is for representation of Karnaugh map for 2 variables and 3 variables like that. Okay, now 0 2 6 4 like this. Okay, so here 0 is there, 1 is. So in the 2, that means product term or min term 2 means this is. 3 means here and 5 means here. Yes. So and 6 means here. Then next 7 means here. Okay. Now which are adjacent? So this is one pair. Okay. And all these 4 are adjacent with each other. So this is one pair. And this is the another pair. Here how many number of groups subcubes are possible? Here how many number of subcubes are possible? మనకి ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని subcubes వచ్చాయి? Here how many number of subcubes are there? So how many number of subcubes here? ఎన్ని వచ్చాయమ్మా subcubes? 1 2 3. So 3 subcubes are there. So that how many number of terms present here? Totally 3 terms are present. So in the Karnaugh map any groups అయితే form అవుతున్నాయో that many number of terms, min terms are present in the expression. So first in this, how we are finding the Karnaugh map for this? First we can find out, identify independent cells in Karnaugh map. Identify independent cells in Karnaugh map, or simply say that K map also. So first from this, first identify the independent cells. Independent cells ఏంటి ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. After identifying the independent cells, mark all possible 2 cell subcubes. అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏంటి ఐడెంటిఫై ద ఇండిపెండెంట్ సెల్స్ ఇన్ Karnaugh map. సో ఫస్ట్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాం. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మిన్ టర్మ్? 0 మిన్ టర్మ్, 2 మిన్ టర్మ్, 3 మిన్ టర్మ్, 5. సో ఇండిపెండెంట్ సెల్స్ ని ఫస్ట్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేసాం. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఇండిపెండెంట్, దిస్ ఈస్ ఇండిపెండెంట్, ఆల్ ఆర్ ఇండిపెండెంట్, ఆల్ ది 6 terms are independent first. And then next mark all possible 2 cell cubes. So such that they should not be part of any larger size subcube. So first identify the pair. So the next ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? Pair identify చేస్తున్నారు. After that, if any chord is identified, after that you get to identify if it is a 4 variable Karnaugh map, octet is possible. If it is a 3 variable, only chord is possible. Up to chord is possible. So mark all. అంటే first pair find చేయాలి, తర్వాత chord find out చేయాలి. So if it is a 4 variable octet, if any octet is exists. Okay. Then next, so here now how we can find out? ఇక్కడ మనం ఒక statement ఇచ్చాం. The statement is what? So after from the subgroups, so whatever the variables which are common to subgroup, any only those variables are present in the product representation. That means ఇక్కడ here So from this pair, which is common? 0, 0. This is common. This is complement with each other. So here 0, here 1. So that in these, out of these two variables, we can take only one variable, that is x complement. Because this is the product term, that's why we are taking here x complement. Means, so product చేస్తున్నాము అంటే 0, 0 మనకి 1 అవ్వాలి అంటే ఎప్పుడు పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది? 0 కాంప్లిమెంట్ అండ్ 0 కాంప్లిమెంట్. Then only 1 is possible. That's why here x complement. Now, here in this pair, 0 is the common, so that z complement, x complement, z complement. So from these two pairs, this is the minimum term. Ante, so for this 0 term and this term. So ఇక్కడ ఈ terms ఏంటి? X complement, y complement, z complement plus x complement y, z complement. So from these two terms, x complement and z complement common తీసుకుంటే y complement and y. Sorry, y complement and y. So now it is x complement z. Okay, boolean identities apply చేస్తే ఇలా వస్తుంది. సో డైరెక్ట్ గా మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాము? By using pairs we can find out this. Okay, plus so from this pair. So ఈ pair ఏంటి? So from this pair, observe here 1, 1, 1, 0. The common term is x and the next different variable. So here y complement. So just you can take here the common variable, that is x, and here the common variable is z. So common variable is z. So that z. అంటే horizontal గా ఉంది అనుకోండి, this is the common variable అవుతుంది. Suppose it is a vertical pair ఉంది అనుకోండి, these two are the common and this is different. Okay, here horizontal కాబట్టి then z is the common. Next, this one. For this, what is? So here, this is what 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is what the quad. So in this case, common is 0, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So in this case 0, 1. That means x variable is different and y variable is the common. So that here you can take the y variable. So coming to here 0, 1. So both of these two are different. Then next, this is the minimum term. So this is what the minimum term or minimum expression. This is the minimum form, min form of the given expression. So ఈ expression కి this is the minimum. Suppose actual గా అయితే మనకి term ఎలా ఉంటుంది చూడండి, f equal to x complement, y complement, z complement plus y. Next, x ఏం రాస్తున్నాం? x complement y, z complement. Next, x complement, y complement, z plus x complement y, z plus x y z plus x y complement z. So actual గా ఇంత పెద్ద term, that is first 0 means x complement, y complement, z complement. 2 means x complement, 2 means x complement, then next y z complement, then next 3 means x complement by z. So here x y z. So here it is x y complement z, x y complement z. So the biggest term is minimized to this one. Okay, ila minimize chestam. So for this, from this example, here you can find out. Suppose if it is n equal to, that means here n equal to 1. So if it is a 2 cell subcube, 2 cell subcube means 2 to the power of 1. Okay, so in 2 to the power of 1 means 2 cell subcube. So in this case, elimination of one variable. Elimination of one variable. అంటే పెయిర్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, పెయిర్ లో ఎన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతాయి మనకి? సో ఫ్రమ్ పెయిర్ ఓన్లీ వన్ వేరియబుల్ ఇస్ eliminated. Suppose coming to n equal to 2 means what? n 2 to the power of 2 means 4, means quad. అంటే 4 cells ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, quad ఉంది. సో quad లో, quad means 4-cell subcube. 4-cell subcube. So from this, అంటే quad నుండి ఎన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ అంటే 4 cells ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, ఎన్ని వేరియబుల్స్ ఎలిమినేట్ అవుతాయి? 2 variables eliminated. So from quad 2 variables are eliminated. Suppose n equal to 3 means 2 to the power of 3 means 8 means what andi? Octet. If it is the octet means what? 8-cell subcube. So if it is the 8-cell subcube, if it is a 8-cell subcube, how many number of variables are removed here? ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని variables remove అవుతాయి మనకి? That is from this elimination of 3 variables. That is in from octet 3 variables are eliminated. 3 variables are eliminated. Suppose if it is n equal to m, how many variables? That is, it is what? To the power of m cell subcube. So in this case, how many number of variables are eliminated? Eliminated. That is, m number of variables are eliminated. Suppose me ee example observe cheyandi. If it is a pair, so ee pair lo maniki total ga enni untayandi? 3 variables undali, because here maximum maniki 3 variables unnai. So from these 3, so if it is a pair, how many variables are eliminated? 1 variable is eliminated. So here this is one pair, ikkada kuda maniki 1 variable is eliminated. So from this quad, so if it is a 3 variable, so it is a quad. And quad means ikkada 3 variable, but in this case 4 cells are there. For forming the group, 4 cells are required. So 4 cells nundi any variable, any cells manaki remove avutunnai? That means 2 are removed. Ante ikkada out of 3 only 1 is here. Only 1 maatrame untundi. That is, this is what the concept. So this is the important note. So now see one more example. For this, find the sum of expression for f equal to a, b, c, d. What is this? A, b, c, d means 4 variables are there. So from these 4 variables, suppose here 1, 5, sum of product form 1, 5, 7, 10, 12, 13, 15. Okay. Now here, how many number of variables are there? Any variables ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ మనకి? Here is 4 variables. Means 16 cells are present. That is 2 to the power of 4 means 16 cells. From here, A, B variables and here C, D variables. So column side A, B, row side C, D. Means here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here what? 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. సో మీరు ఇది డ్రా చేయగానే మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్ గా మిన్ టర్మ్స్ యొక్క నంబరింగ్ అనేది ఐడెంటిఫై అయిపోవాలి. మిన్ టర్మ్స్ నంబరింగ్ అనేది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఐడెంటిఫై అయిపోవాలి. అండ్ హియర్ 0, 0 and 0, 0 means this is the 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Min term of 0, min term of 1, min term of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So మీ టేబుల్ లో సెల్స్ యొక్క పొజిషన్స్ ఏంటి? మిన్ టర్మ్స్ పొజిషన్స్. సో in these cells, which cell is represents which min term? So that should be known earlier. Okay, now here this is 1 means 0, 1. Here this term is present means should write, because of this is a sum of product term. So you can write here 1. Now 5 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here should write 1. Now 6, 7. Here should write 7. Now 10, 8, 9, 10. And 10 in the sense here. Okay. One more thing. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now 1 is here, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is here. Now 8, 9, 10 is here, 11, 12 is here, 13 is here, next 14, 15 is here. Okay, so this is what the concept. So first you can write how many number of pairs exist. So ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని pairs exist అవుతున్నాయి. So this is one pair. Okay, this is the another pair, and this is one more. And here two pairs are exist, and so now that means you can say that here this is also pair. But here, this one is adjacent to here and one is adjacent here. This one is adjacent to here and this one is adjacent to here. So now one is adjacent to here and this one is adjacent to here. So that all these four are forms of quad. So now this is what the quad and this is what the pair and this is what the pair and this is a single element, single term. Now whenever this single term is there, just you should write like this all one. This is what A, B complement, C, D complement. So just in A, direct ga rasnanu because this is 1 means product term. The result gives as a 1 so that 0 becomes 1. How it is possible? It's a complement. That's why I'm writing here A, B complement. Now here this is what the C and D is 0. So I need 1. So that I'm writing here D complement. This term is completed. Now I write the term for this one, this pair. So now you can identify first which are the common terms, 0, 0 and which are different terms. So different variable, which is common in this from this pair. So which variables are common? So 0 and 0. So A is common, B variable is different. So that A complement. So here from horizontal, whenever the horizontal pair is exists, so in the row side, whatever the variables are there, those variables are common. So that's why C complement and D. Next for this term. For this term, here, now observe here, this is a vertical pair. So that whenever the vertical pair is there, the column side variables are common. Because these two are the common here as well as here. This A, B is used here and AB is used here. So that should take AB. So whenever this vertical is present, from row variables ఏవైతే ఉంటాయో అందులో నుండి first identify the common one. Here CD is there. 0, 0 and 0, 1. So that C variable is common from both of these two terms. D variable is different. So leave it that one. Now it is completed. Now last one. Here this is what the quad. So from this quad, right here what? So whenever the quad is there, you can identify here 0, 1, 1, 1. So in this case 0, 1. So X variable is different from these four cells. So here in this X complement is there, here X complement is there, here X is there, here X is there. That means X is different variable and A is the different variable and B is the common variable. So you can take B here and from these two, here C is different. So here C complement is there from this, for this min term C is there. For this min term C complement, here the C. So coming to the D, here D, here D. Here also D, here also D. So that's why take B. Take it as D. Now you can observe here. So if it is only one under that subcube, the subcube contains only one cell, then all the variables, whatever the variables are present over here, all variables are presented in the min term. And this is what? A complement, C complement, D. So if it is a pair, so out of how many number of variables are participated in that Boolean expression. From those variables, one variable is eliminated. Out of 4 variables, one variable is eliminated here from pair. So this is another pair. So from this pair, one variable is eliminated. And this is the quad. So here this subgroup contains the 4 cells. So out of these 4 variables, 2 variables are eliminated. So this is what the answer for this minimum, for this sum of product terms. Minimum, find the minimum sum of product form for this Karnaugh, for this Boolean expression. Suppose here some note is there. Suppose a subcube of 2 to the power of m cells, subcube of 2 to the power of m cells is possible if and only if in that subcube for every cell, in that subgroup for every cell m, number of cells must be adjacent cells, must be
పవర్ పోయిందమ్మా, మొబైల్లో కనెక్ట్ చేసిన వీడియో షేర్ చేస్తున్నా వినండి.